Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm...
Hi, Jody! Happy birthday!
Hello, happy birthday!
God bless you, nga.
Happy birthday!
Okay, ready? Sing!
Happy birthday to you! Woo! Happy birthday to you! Woo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Woo! Happy birthday!
God bless!
Hello, Jody. Happy birthday. And I pray that you have more birthday to come. I want you to remember while you grow up, the word from 1 Thessalonians 5:23 says, May God Himself, the God of peace, sanctify you through and through. May your whole spirit and body be kept blameless at the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ. Happy birthday again and many more birthday to come. God bless you.
Hi, Jody! Happy birthday! Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Sana marami pang candles to blow and cake to slice. Keep up the good work and I love you, Jody! Hello, Jody! Happy birthday! Keep up the good work and sana maging okay pa rin yung studies mo at yung class. Good luck!
Happy 7th birthday, Rain. Mag-aral ka maigi para si mami mo at si daddy maging masaya.
We wish you all the best, Ray. More happiness in life. Love ka ng Busan family.
We love you, Rain.
Hi, Ate Rain. Happy birthday. Sana lumaki ka mabuting bata. Tsaka sana lagi ka susunod kay mami mo. Tsaka kay daddy mo. Iwasan mo maging masungit kasi pumapangit ka. Ang ganda-ganda mo pa naman. Smile palagi. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Rain. Stay pretty and humble as you are. I love you. Heart, heart, heart.
Happy birthday, Rain! Huwag kang magbabago hanggang paglaki mo. I love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Rain. Kahit ka pa ng mabuti. I love you. Go, go, go! Hi, Happy Rain. Happy birthday. Sana, matupad yung wish mo. Tsaka sana maging matalino school. Hi, Ate Rain. Sana, Ate Rain, maging matalino kang mabuti. Sana palagi kang
Happy 7th birthday, Rain! Sana maging mabait na bata ka lagi, tsaka huwag kang pasaway sa kuya mo, tsaka kay Tita Jo. Mag-aral kang mabuti, tsaka kumain ka ng gulay. Yun lang. Love you!